That is correct. Now in this factory, there are loads of materials that are both opaque and transparent. Let's play another game to see how many you can recognize.
That was intense.
What about an experiment now?
I am all set.
Okay, so here we are going to be doing an experiment to find out about another similar property. Here, you will be given a plain sheet of paper and oil. You see that lamp over there? You will first try to look at the light through the paper, and then you'll put some oil on the paper and then do the same. Note the difference, okay?